Hello and welcome. So you might know in Excel that there is option where you can actually freeze the top few rows from the freeze option. But in Google Sheet, how do you do that to freeze a number of header row or number of first column? So in Google Sheet, it's much easier. You don't have to look for any menu or options, something like that. You just hover over your mouse. You see the hand, the hand symbol is popping up. The cursor, the mouse cursor is changing to the hand symbol. So once you get that symbol, you see it's everywhere on the top Google Sheet row, and also this will appear on the left side. On the right, when you want to freeze the rows, go to the top border, first row, above the row, the beginning border, you see, and then you drag that line. You click that, you see the border is appearing, a heavy thick border is appearing, and then you drag. You see the symbol, hand symbol, is changed to something like it's a holding rod, something like that, and then you drag to where you want to freeze. Like this one, I have freeze first two row. You see the first two row is now freeze. You can select this one and go and drop at the end of first row. So now I have freeze the first row. Similarly, for the column, you go to the left, that beginning border, and then drag this on the right side. So easy, it's here. Now I have actually what do you say, I have actually freeze the first column on the left side and the first row on the top. Now if you enter something like this, you can scroll up, down, and if you enter hold the control key, shift key, and then it will move left to right. Because the first column is freeze, it's not going to affect that one, it's freeze. That's it. Hope you like it. Thank you.